Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a how to get a curly slash beach wave type of curl on 4C relaxed hair.
I gotta tell you something I could do.
So as you can see, I've got relaxed hair, but it's just in a bun for now. It is nighttime, so I will be basically styling it into bantu knots and then sleeping in that particular hairstyle so that in the morning when I wake up, it comes out as the curly beach waves that I'm trying to create. So there are a couple of things that you are going to need. It's just the Aunt Jackie's Curlala Defining Curl Custard. I've used this a couple of times and I think that it does work. I think that it does define some of the curls and keeps them on for a little bit longer. I also use just a basic hairbrush and something to section your hair with, as well as some bobby pins that's going to basically keep your bantu knots together, and a scrunchie. So that's pretty much all you need. It's a very simple technique and I think that it comes out really cute, but yeah, you'll see it tomorrow morning. So in the meantime, I'm just going to speed this up to show you the different way that I basically put it together.
All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game, and if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say, no, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this,
Morning, guys. So it's obviously the next morning and I've taken a shower and I've put on some makeup. And yeah, so basically, after sleeping in this particular head wrap, you just kind of take it off and see what we're working with. So as you can see, these are bantu knots that we made last night. They actually kind of look cute, but like, you know, we're not going to keep it like this. So the first thing that you want to do is actually just take them out and let's see how it goes.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down.
So yeah, this is basically what we're working with for now, and you just kind of go through your hair and untangle the really big curls with your fingers, like very gently though, so you don't like ruin it. As you can see, you know, it looks like this for now, but it's actually quite cute. You can style it.
Take me to your heart. I belong to you.
So I go in with the L'Oreal Paris Extreme Hold gel. So I use this for my wigs as well, but like not as much because it doesn't actually hold for that long, but it's really great for your ears. And obviously your trusted toothbrush. And I basically just style it the way I want. So if I pull back the side, let's do this too. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's a very like very simple and you can do it at home type of look, and I think that it's super cute. I think that you can definitely rock this for most things if you're chilling at home or if you have an event to go to. And yeah, so this is for medium length 4C hair, relaxed. I have been relaxing my hair for I think 2 or 3 years now. I used to have natural hair and then things just didn't work out for me. So like natural hair for me is very painful and it's a lot of work. So I personally I don't necessarily like having natural hair because of that. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I will catch you on the next one.